Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2015 Ford Transit Connect equipped with the Driverge rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the lift gate. You can then use this to release the ramp. Bring it down like so. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user, and this one is going to come with a set of retractable straps. And in the middle you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And this van here only has 12,000 miles. Go ahead and bring the ramp back in. We'll lift it from here. Make sure it's locked in its place. And close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping. But if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the car. So this vehicle here has 12,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. This one's also going to come with leather seats. And up here you have the panoramic sunroof. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.